Hey everyone, Sister Michelle here from SisterDIY.com. Today we are making popovers. This recipe is super easy, requires ingredients that you probably have on hand already, and creates a bread that is airy and soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using a blender and also a popover pan. This pan is specifically made for this recipe, but you don't have to use a popover pan. You can actually use a standard muffin tin, which I'll show you how those come out later. And you can also mix these by hand or in a stand mixer. To make these popovers, you're going to need just 5 ingredients. So you're going to need 1/4 cup of milk, 3 eggs, 1 cup flour, plus a half a teaspoon of salt, and also 2 tablespoons of melted butter. To my blender, I'm going to add milk, eggs, and butter, and I'm going to blend it on high for 1 minute. Alright, so that went for a minute. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of flour with my half a teaspoon of salt and blend that for a minute as well. Alright, so that's done. I'm just going to make sure that there isn't any flour on the sides, which there's a little bit. So I'm just going to scrape it on the sides. I'm going to blend it again for just a couple more seconds. I have my popover pan. It has been oiled really well. My oven is also preheated to 450 degrees. Now we're baking these at such a high temperature because it's going to create steam in our batter, and that's going to help our popovers pop over. It's going to create a lot of steam, which is going to make our popovers really light and airy on the inside, and the high heat, of course, is going to help create that crust. Okay, now I'm going to take my batter and I'm going to pour it into this pan, and I'm going to fill them each about 3/4 of the way full. These popovers are best served warm. I love to enjoy mine with a little softened butter and jam. And there you have it, easy and delicious popovers made in either a popover pan or a muffin pan. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.